Spurna on your opening. I wish you many, many years of innovation. Understanding that a lot of the work that's going to be going on in the lab will be focused on mobility and social networks. I work in games, and one of the big themes that's coming out with games is the fact that you can now play them anywhere. Maybe they're on a device that you carry with you. Maybe they're on a network where you are constantly connected with your friends. In a big way, the big innovation in social networks was to be able to keep in touch with your friends and family and always know what they were doing. And now there's another way to interact with them through games, traditionally a way to interact with your friends. This has actually been a huge disruptive change in the way how we think about games in the game industry. And it places a lot of emphasis on the kind of people who are playing the games, what their lifestyles are, and how games fit in there. We need to be designing games for people and the way how they choose to live, than expect people to change their lifestyles in order to fit games. So this gives a big opportunity for industry and university connections. We need to be able to study players. We need to be able to really look at how people choose to engage with games, the decisions they're making, or the decisions they're not able to make because they don't have the games available to them on the platforms that they want at the time of day that they want with the people that they want to play with. And that gives you an opportunity to be able to come up with new products, new games for people to play the way that they want. So again, congratulations and good luck.